Are you looking to sell your house in Miami and you don't want to deal with agents or costly repairs? We can help. My name is David Veers of Sunshine State Buyers, and we can get you a cash offer in less than 24 hours without any of the hassles. Whether you're facing foreclosure, dealing with an inherited property, or you're just tired of being a landlord, or you just want a fast, quick cash offer, we got you covered. Here's what the process looks like when you don't work with Sunshine State Buyers. You'll have to make numerous repairs to your home before you sell. You either pay for those repairs out of pocket or deal with insurance. And we all know that's a pain. But here's how the process goes if you work with us at Sunshine State Buyers. Step 1, fill in the details about your home on our short form. Step 2, get your cash offer within 24 hours. Step 3, pick your closing date and get paid. So visit our website at sunshinestatebuyers.com and fill out a form today for a no obligation cash offer, or give us a call at 305-676-9384. Talk to you soon.